di mo inaasahan. I'll kiss you right on the lips, baby. Right in love, cause you're ghosted from the show up and suit and tie, little brooching with the roses in front of ang gamit kayaan, ikaw ang kami-kailan, okay. Kahanapin kita, saan tayo mapunta, yung tipong kahit wala o kaya bigla may breakfast table just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala. I just wanna do simple random things to say I love you. Hindi kang pagtatagwain kahit na sungit mo. At di ganun kawangis, ika'y iguguhit mo. No, I'll probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like it, maybe I'll give you the last bite. Dito na ako, sino favorite kong side?